going on, guys? Kellen here with Dreamedia Home Theater. We are out here in CEDIA 2024. I'm with Skylar from Just Video Walls. We have something really cool to talk about today.
Indeed.
More or less you talking about it to me. So fill me in. I know enough to be dangerous, but let everyone know about the new Lunar Wall.
Dreamedia is a Just Video Walls dealer, right? So you exist on the fully custom side, doing all kinds of crazy walls, different shapes, different sizes, heights, aspect ratios, super high-end stuff. Well, the one thing that we've heard from you and everybody else right now is video walls is the future, right? But we need that to be more accessible to the average consumer out there, right? And so we heard all that feedback and we wanted to create a system that you guys can sell that would be a fantastic product to fit within more projection alternatives in the home. And that's what we're looking at behind us here. This is the Ledge product from Lunar Walls, the brand by Just Video Walls. And it's 163-inch. Starting price point is gonna be around $60,000 to $70,000 for this wall. 4K, we have Wi-Fi, it's a DCI 97% wall. It's basically the best TV alternative, projection alternative that everybody's been asking for today.
Yeah.
This wall.
Yeah,
right
I mean, 162 inches, 16.9.
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken, this is a speaker.
We have
below.
a sound bar built in.
Yeah.
But we understand, obviously, people
If you
will
want to
want
enhance the audio further, that's where we can come in.
You can come in. We have an ARC. We have an optical. So you can come either in through that way. It's got HDMI inputs, one power outlet, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, no, this is pretty sweet. Pretty special. I mean, it looks fantastic. Tell me a little bit more about the pixel technology.
The audience, a lot of your customers are familiar with the Epson's eShift technology or JVC's eShift. This is a virtual pixel, right? So we're basically taking what is standard pixel, white, red, green, and blue all in one pixel. We're breaking the red, green, and blue apart to make it virtual. So we're calling this a V-shift, just so people can wrap their minds around it. So we can get to 4K pixels on a TV like this.
Gotcha. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, like I said, it looks fantastic. The price point, I mean, 60 to 70K on 162
preliminary
inch.
pricing, yeah. 136 is going to be 50.
So, wow.
Yeah,
very aggressive. Very aggressive.
And again, the idea is everybody wants micro LED in their homes, in every room in the house. This is no longer just a dedicated darkroom theater experience anymore. We can put this in a living room. We can put this in a multimedia room. It can go anywhere in the house, and you can have a fantastic experience for a lot of people out there. It's very accessible.
Skylar, I appreciate it, man, and this is extremely exciting to see here at the show. I know you've got some other stuff as well, but I really wanted to point this out as I know this is going to attract a lot of customers, and we can't wait to install a few of these. If you guys are interested to learn more about Just Video Walls, or specifically getting a Lunar Wall for yourself, the lead time, I think that I heard was about 2 months right now.
We're looking at launching this and making it available somewhere in the November timeframe.
Yeah. Okay.
So, it's a very quick install, very easy, but we got to get through some more of the packaging stuff to get it really ready to go. So probably around the November timeframe.
Perfect, man.
Yeah.
So if you guys are interested to learn more, if you're super interested in ordering one for yourself, now's the time to reach out and get ready for something before the holidays. If you want to impress the family that's coming in for Christmas dinner, I mean, this is awesome. Really, really awesome. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Again, this is Kellen with Dreamedia. Skylar here from Just Video Walls. Always a pleasure, sir.
Thanks, Kellen.
If you guys want to let us know what you think of this video wall down in the comments, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.